Hello friends, welcome to Electro Pixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Electro Pixels. In today's video, we will be taking a detailed look at the Atomberg Amaze BLDC ceiling fan, covering its complete unboxing, step-by-step installation, and performance testing. Starting with the packaging, the product arrives in a sturdy, well-designed box that clearly highlights key features such as low noise operation, energy-efficient BLDC motor technology, and wide service availability. Another important feature mentioned is that this fan does not require a conventional regulator, ensuring optimal performance directly through its smart control system. Let us begin with the unboxing. Inside the package, all components are neatly organized and securely packed. The box includes the main motor assembly, aerodynamic blades, downrod, canopy set, mounting hardware, and a remote control unit. The overall build quality of the components appears robust and premium, reflecting the brand's focus on durability and design. The remote control is a major advantage, offering convenient access to speed control, timer settings, and LED indicators, enhancing the overall user experience. Now moving on to the installation process. We start by fixing the mounting bracket firmly to the ceiling, ensuring proper alignment and safety. The downrod is then attached securely to the motor assembly, followed by careful electrical connections, maintaining correct phase and neutral wiring. Once the motor unit is mounted, the blades are installed one by one, ensuring all screws are tightened properly to maintain balance and avoid vibration. Finally, the canopy is fitted to provide a clean and professional finish to the installation. Let's proceed to the testing phase. Upon powering the fan, it starts smoothly without any jerks, which is a clear benefit of BLDC motor technology. The response to the remote control is precise and instantaneous, allowing seamless switching between different speed levels. The fan operates with extremely low noise, making it ideal for quiet environments such as bedrooms and offices. Additionally, the energy consumption is significantly lower compared to conventional ceiling fans, resulting in long-term electricity savings. In conclusion, the Atomberg Amaze BLDC fan stands out with its modern design, silent operation, energy efficiency, and smart control features. It is an excellent choice for those looking to upgrade to a more advanced and cost-effective cooling solution. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe to Electro Pixels for more professional technical content. Thank you for watching.